Hello everyone. Today I'd like to introduce you our double door magnetic lock with 600 pounds holding force. This is the package of the magnetic lock. Let's take it out now. This is the lock body. The surface of the lock is sandblasted, feels very smooth, and its round profile. The edges and corners are also smooth, which will not scratch your hand. The product structure and PCB are protected by the national patent law. No imitation shall be made without our authorization. Now, please allow me to introduce the advantages of this lock in detail. Firstly, we use the oval outlet hole design, so that you can pass the wires through the outlet hole normally, even if there is an error. Secondly, we use a fisheye lampshade to protect the LED from collision and damage during transportation. At the same time, the LED light is highly bright and can be seen from a far distance. Thirdly, we use one-piece cover plate design, with only one M4 screw to fix it, so it can save a lot of time when making installation. The fourth advantage is our circuit board, and we use a one-piece design, which is our patent design. You can connect the wires on either side to control both sides at the same time. Okay, now let's take a look at the lock from the top. You can choose either side when drilling holes. For example, if you choose this side, plug in the wire harness connector and it will work. And if you choose the other side, you connect the wires to the terminal and you can see the lights on. And the lock signal is in serial connection mode. And it shows the door is closed only if both sides are closed. It shows open if either side is open. And generally speaking, the access controller can only receive one signal, so it's enough to connect only one group of signal wires. In addition to these advantages, our product has passed various international certification tests, including M8 certification, EU fire test and durability test, CE and LVD certification, and FCC and UL certification. So the YLI products quality are really guaranteed, and YLI products are reliable and durable. Okay, that's all for the details and advantages of YLI double door magnetic lock. See you next time.